Assalamualaikum, grade 5. This is the summary video for today. Lesson subject science, the new unit shadow, unit 5, shadows, and lesson 5.1 light travel in straight lines. We talked about also light in the previous unit. So let's continue our topic. Learner book page number 66 and 67, and your homework for today page number 39 from your activity book. So observe that shadows are formed when light traveling from a source is blocked, and also making different relevant observation. Let's start. First of all, vocabulary word evidence, conclusion, blocked, and shadow. I hope so you know about shadow. If you are standing at a place and sun is not upon your head, okay, and in front of you, or at 170 or not 170, 135 or 140 degree, so there is a shadow behind you, you can see it. Or if you are blocking a light, if you're blocked light, you can see behind you, and there is black, or you can say a colorless shade. You can also see at different place. So let's continue. You can understand more. Identify the light source says in two images. For here you can see here sunlight, and here what? Here light travel in a straight line from the projector. This is a projector. So light from the sun travel in straight lines, in straight lines. Okay, not bending or coming, this no, in straight lines. Okay, and same like this, light travel in straight lines from the film project, from a film. No, this is you are opening project here and it's coming here. No, in a straight line. Okay, so light travel always in a straight line. For this you have an activity investigating how light travel. Shine your torch down the cardboard tube. Can your partner see the light when they look down the other end of the tube? Obviously, if it's straight, he can see it. He or she can see it. Make a bend in the tube. If you bend it, okay, the torch here, and he's up standing here. So shine your torch down the tube again. Can your partner see the light? Obviously not. Now, if there is a little bit curve, light not pass away, because light travel in a straight line. If it's close, if blocked, it stop. So can he or she can look? No, he cannot see. Can you explain what you observe? For this, you have question: what evidence did you collect about the way light travel? What evidence did you collect about the way light travel? The evidence collected was that your partner could see the light at the end of the tube. When it is straight, you can see the tube. When the tube was straight, but if not straight, what happened? It was bent. When it was bent, he cannot see the light. What conclusion did you make when you had finished your investigation? So, in simple, light travel in a straight line. If it's close, it's not travel. Light travel in a straight line. Do you think you're collected enough evidence to come to this conclusion? Suggest how you call a good collect more evidence. Obviously, it is always a good idea if you're doing, if you collect more evidence. Obviously, you're doing more time your practice or your activity, you can get the proper answer. So shine a torch down the corridor. Can your friend see the light around the corner at the end of the corridor? Try to do it. Now we are talking about shadow. Further continue. When light is stopped or blocked, you can see the trees. You can see down these shadows. So the light from the sun is blocked by the trees. Like this, if you are standing and the sun in front of you, so you are blocking the light, and behind you there is a shadow. So it's blocked by the tree. Shadow are formed. So when light is stopped or blocked by some types of solid object, it cannot shine through the object. It cannot shine through the object. A shadow form on the other side of the solid object. A shadow form on the other side of the solid object. A shadow form on the other side of the solid solid object. For this, you also have activity 5.2, 5.1b. Observe and make shadow. Go outside and observe the shadows. You can see a lot of shadows according to sun direction. If a sun is this side, you can see the shadow here. If sun moving from here to here, you can see the shadow behind. Different building, different trees, different objects, even the dustbin, you can see the shadow of it. Anything, any object, any material, you can see the object behind them. If there is sunshine in front of or in this shape. Can you identify the object blocking the sun and cause shadow? You can identify different. This is upon you. Shadow blocking the sun. Other answer will depend on what is in their surrounding. Wall, building, trees, different thing according to you if you're going outside. Okay, draw a picture to show how your own shadow was formed. You need to show the position of the sun and the position of the shadow. This I told you before. You are standing and sun in front of you. There is a shadow. So you can draw it by yourself. Okay. Goodbye. Page number 39. Your homework, boys. Complete your homework from activity book. Assalamu alaikum.